You are looking at a creepy house. Someone lives here, and you are looking right into it. There's a fireplace right there, but it's an evil fireplace with skulls and skeletons all over, and rats that eat people up, and blood in a bottle. The blood in a bottle could be yours next. And that hook right there is used for you know what. And it's the hook that comes in a corned beef can. The lamp is handmade, but it's perfect for this creepy place. Would you like to enter? Welcome to this creepy place. But beware. Be very careful and beware. You might never make it out.